Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The whole city was decorated with columns of banana trees containing bunches of fruits and flowers, and betel nut trees with leaves and branches were seen here and there. There were also many gates set up which were structured to give the appearance of sharks. Auspicious ceremonies with decorations of the green leaves of palms, coconut trees, betel nut trees and banana trees, and fruits, flowers and leaves are an age-old custom in India. To receive his great son, Dhruva Maharaj, King Uttanapad arranged a good reception, and all the citizens very enthusiastically took part with great jubilation.